Want to triple your Pinterest engagement? I've discovered a new way to share your content on Pinterest Stories. Hey dreamers, I am just catching up on some work here at the Hard Rock Hotel. We're here on our Universal Orlando vacation. The kids are still sleeping, so I'm in the room just sharing some of our content on Pinterest. Pinterest is my favorite social marketing platform. I use it for all of our businesses, including our YouTube videos. With all of the different social marketing platforms out there, Pinterest is the best one for getting leads, for getting views to your YouTube channel, for getting readers on your blog. It is an amazing social marketing platform. I love Pinterest so much that I actually created a course online all about Pinterest and how you can use Pinterest to get leads and grow your business. So check out the Eye in the Sky for that course, or you can also check down below in the description with links to that course and other business resources. But let's jump into what I'm working on this morning. I found a new resource and it is brand new on Pinterest and I am loving it. It is called Pinterest Story Pins. Have you guys heard about Pinterest Story Pins? If you have, leave a comment and tell me what you think of these new amazing stories. Now, Pinterest Story Pins are very similar to stories that you will find on Instagram, on Facebook. It's those quick little stories that are on your Pinterest account. And you can actually save them to different boards on your Pinterest account. Now, what I've been doing is I've been using my Instagram stories and recycling them to my story pins on Pinterest. So it doesn't involve a lot of work. It just takes a couple seconds to actually, copy it into the story pin and publish it and you're done. Amazing. I love how simple it is. Now, why should you be using these new story pins? This is the mind-blowing part in how within seconds, we literally tripled our engagement on Pinterest. So exciting. We just got back from the Florida Keys and I saw the story pin. It's been there for a while and I just haven't used it. I decided, you know what? It's time I start using it. So I shared some of my Instagram stories. Remember, I said I recycled them. So I grabbed some of my Instagram stories and uploaded a story pin to Pinterest. Within a day, less than 24 hours. Literally, I did it in the afternoon, like 4 o'clock, the next morning. So less than 24 hours, I had 7,000 views. 7,000 views. To give you an idea, our normal, just regular vertical pin gets about 200 to 500 views. That's way more than triple. Mind-blowing, and literally in less than 24 hours. Today, I'm going to walk you through the whole process of how to create a story pin so you can start sharing your videos, your content on your blog, whatever you're selling, you can start sharing them and get these crazy, amazing views just like we are. All right, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is head over to your Pinterest page. Right now, I am on our Jones Family Travels Pinterest page. I'm going to go to the section that says Create, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says Create Story Pin and left click on that. Now I'm going to click this little red button that says Create Story Pin. This is the section where we could add our images or videos. The great thing about the story pins, you can add up to 20 images or videos. And it can be both. So you can add pictures and videos to your story pin. I love that. So you can literally click this arrow or you can just drop and drag. So I'm going to come over here to my folder and I'm going to grab, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images and 1 video. So I'm going to grab those and I'm literally just going to drag them into our board. Now you can see we have all of our pictures over here. It's still taking a little time to upload that video, but now it is up. And these are all of our images and videos. You can literally just left click on any of these. to take a look at them. Now, if you don't like the order, you can actually left click on it, hold it down, and drag it. So we're going to drag that universal one first, and then maybe we're going to swap these. I'm going to move Homer and Hunter up there, and then I'm going to drag this one over here. So you can kind of just move it around to whatever layout and design you want. Now, this is going to be your story. It'll start with this one, go to this one, then this video, this image, and this one. So it will actually follow, it says right here, page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is the order for your story pin. Now, you have some options for each of your pages. Now, I'm on this universal one, and you can see almost immediately there is an option to add a title if you want. There's also 2 different layouts. You can just keep the current layout, or you can do like a half screen where you have something at the top, and then you can actually, drag this down and maybe do vacation at Universal Studios. And then I can even change this color. Down here it has color fill. You can change the color. I'm going to change it to this turquoise. No, maybe orange. There we go. So we can change that. You can also change the font style. Ooh, I like the sprinkles. How fun is that? There we go. So, and you can go up and down, put it wherever you want. The lines will tell you when you're centered, which is great, so you can take some of the guesswork out of it. I'm going to change my font color to, I think I'm going to do black. So as you can see on your actual page, you can change whatever you want. So you can change the text, you can change the layout design, however you want to make it fun. This one, I'm going to change it as well. And I'll just put Silly Hunter. And let me see, the roller coaster one, I am not going to do anything to that roller coaster one. I could do another half page, but I'm just going to keep it the full page. And I think the rest of them, I'm okay. So now that I kind of made that change, I think I'm going to drag this one down here to make it a little bit different. There we go. I think I like that. A couple other things to know about the pages. You can duplicate a page. If I click on this one and say I want to make another page of that, it actually makes another copy of that page. But say, oh, I don't like that one, I want to delete it, I can just left click and then hit the little delete button. And then it deletes that image. If you decide you want to add another picture, you can hit the cross button and you can add another picture. I'm going to add another Diagon Alley one. And see, it just adds another one. So I'm going to go ahead and take that one off because I don't need it. But that's it. Super simple. You can make these story pins in just a few minutes. So easy. Now I'm going to come over here and pick a theme. Now I'm not going to actually pick one for this one, but normally if you have maybe a recipe, if we have like a butterbeer recipe, you can actually select this recipe option and it'll allow you to include ingredients. I'm actually going to just click the next button. And then this is our option to add our title. So I already have a title here, Vacation at Universal Studios. I think I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to select my board. Now you can use one of your boards, or if you have a group board, you can include it to a group board. I am going to add mine to my Universal Orlando. And then if you want to add a couple tags, I'm going to add Orlando, and I'm going to add Florida. Once you're done, all you do is click Publish. That's it. We are done. Now it's been saved to my Universal Orlando board, so let's go over there, and there it is. Once it's uploaded, then you can actually see the story pin. What did you think? Are you going to start using Pinterest story pins? So simple, right? Well, I think the kids are ready to head out to the Universal Parks, and it is a beautiful day. So let's go play. Got a little bit of work done. Hopefully you guys learned something new to help build your business or just share your fun travel videos during your vacation. We'll see you next time. Keep on dreaming. Bye. As Hunter says, love you all.
You look so excited to be here, Squidward.
Guess who?